Okay, so we're doing chapter 9, problem 87 here. So it says a ball is dropped from a height of 1.5 meters and it rebounds to a height of 1.2 meters. Approximately how many rebounds will the ball make before losing 90% of its energy? Okay, so let's see how much energy one rebound takes, because we would assume that each bounce will take about the same proportion of the energy away, right? So the amount of energy, so E lost per bounce should be given as the K after the bounce over the K before. Okay, well the K before the bounce is going to equal to the potential at height before the bounce. And the K after the bounce is going to be the potential at the height after. So we have this. So this is now mgh prime over mgh, or 1.2 over 1.5, and this is 0.8. So this says 80% of the energy is lost after each bounce. That's actually wrong, sorry. 80% is left after each bounce. Okay. So how many bounces before we lose 90% of the energy? So if we lose 90% of the energy, that is having 10% left. So how many bounces, this is right here is saying how many bounces in, or after n bounces, this will be 0.1. So how do we solve this equation? Well, we take the log of both sides. So n now is log of 0.1 over log of 0.8. And we get an n of 10.3. So obviously you can't have 0.3 of a bounce, so that means after 11 bounces, it'll lose over 90% of its energy.